Hello everyone, welcome to Pavlova. Let's make crunchy rice cracker with me. Dan crunchy rice cracker udah jadi. Rasanya gurih, teksturnya crunchy, tapi lumer di mulut. Anakku suka banget dan minta ini berkali-kali. I hope you enjoy the video. See you next week. Have a nice day everyone.